today's Ethereum analysis on weekly time frame, we still have this trend line for the price with 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on that. If the price can break it to the downside on weekly time frame and close the candle below this, then we can enter a long-term sell position on Ethereum, and Ethereum price can see lower prices for itself if this actually trend line can be broken. Okay, but also we have this level of resistance for the price. If you have watched my previous analysis, I told you that we are near to this resistance for Ethereum. The Ethereum price was going up and it was pumping. I told you that if we see some nice candles on this one or near to that, we can enter sell positions, which we did in the lower time frames. Okay, but on weekly time frame we also have this engulfing candle, and it is actually, if we combine these two candles, this green candle and this red candle together, we will get a shadow from upside. The price tried to go to this level and it did, but it got rejected from that level and it started falling. So this is a signal to enter sell position, and also we have this level of resistance here too. Okay, on daily time frame, let's check what we have. On daily time frame, I drew this trend line for the price. You can see we have actually 2 touches on that. If the price can break it to the upside on daily time frame and close a candle up there on daily time frame, not any other time frames, then we can actually enter buy position in that time and set our stop loss number safe and look for our reward. But also, as you can see, we have some supports for the Ethereum price. We had some trend lines here which I deleted them because they were getting some illogical movements, okay, in the market. I decided to clean that. Actually, it was like this. We were waiting for the price to break it to the upside, and it tried once here, but it couldn't close its body below this trend line that we can enter sell position. Instead, it made a shadow, so we extend our trend line like this. And as you can see, we have some rejections from that trend line right now on daily time frame. And when we see this shadow again outside the trend line, we extend it again and again like this one, but the price couldn't break it to the downside, so I'm gonna delete this one. And right now I'm looking for some supports on the price. As you can see, we have 3 nice supports for the price. The price was going up and touches a level and starts falling. Okay, so it is a nice level of resistance for the price, and when it breaks it to the upside, it makes some pullbacks to that level, then it continues going up. So this is a nice level of resistance for the price, which is a support right now. And we also have this level of support. The price was going up and it makes a correction and touches a level and it continues going up. Okay, it can be a pullback too in the weekly time frame. Okay, then it continues going up, so this can be a nice level of support too. And also this level here, the price was falling and touches a level and starts going up. Okay, so this is a nice level of support too. We draw these 3 supports for Ethereum price. As you can see, the price made a pin bar on 2 of the supports. Okay, which is a really nice signal to enter buy position here. Okay, I'm not saying that it is gonna go up 100%. Okay, I'm just saying, by technical side, the percentage of winning actually buy positions here are more than actually sell positions. Okay, so we have the supports here, 1 support here and 2nd support here, and the candle we want on these supports. So right now we can risk somewhere here and enter buy position, set our stop loss below the candle and look for our reward. And our reward can be this level of trend line, this trend line here, with a touch of that in the lower time frames. And if we see a nice rejection candle like a pin bar or a red candle, then we can actually close our buy position and wait for its breakout to the upside. Then we can enter again to buy position in that time. It was all about daily time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what we have there. On 4-hour time frame, we have a resistance for the price right now. we have it one here and second one here. Okay, you know, the price was falling and touches a level and starts going up. I don't care it was a support in the past of the market or not, which it was. I'm just trading based on the recent chart. Okay, so we have another support here too. The price was falling and touches a level and starts going up. So these two resistances for the price, and also shadows from upside on 4-hour time frame. Okay, one shadow, 2, 3, 4 shadows from upside, showing that the buyers are getting weaker and sellers are coming in this level of resistance. We can make some corrections in the market right now on 4-hour time frame. Then price can continue going up because of the daily time frames buy signal. Okay, let's check 1-hour time frame to see what we have. On 1-hour time frame, we have a special pattern. We have this trend line for the price, and also we can draw another one here too, like this one, a channel with the break of this trend line to the upside and closing a candle up there on 1-hour time frame above this trend line. We can actually enter a buy position. You know, you must see the body of the candle closed out of the trend line. Okay, if we see a shadow out of the trend line, we're gonna extend our trend line. Okay, imagine it is like this. We are just imagining. We connect this one to this one here, you know, for example, and when we see that shadow out of the trend line, we're gonna extend it like this one and wait for the next candles to break it. Okay, and then we can actually enter buy position in that time and set our stop loss and look for our reward. Let's check 15-minute time frame. On 15-minute time frame, as you can see, you know, we had some shadows from upside here, showing that the price is getting rejected, and we could have some sell positions here based on these shadows and enter some sell positions for scalping. And you know, you can see the recent candle which is closing in after something like 5 seconds is also a pin bar from upside, but it's actually a bit it's not, you know, it is not the first touch of the resistance. Okay, we had several touches on those resistances, then we are making this pin bar. I'm not risking on these kind of signals because I told you that this is not the first touch. Okay, we had lots of touches on that resistance in the past of the market, so I'm not risking on that. On the 5-minute time frame, let's see what we have. You can see the price is getting rejected from this level, and the price started falling, but let's see what we have. I have no idea on 5-minute time frame what is going on. Let's check 1-minute time frame to see what we have. On 1-minute time frame, we can actually draw a trend line like this, and with the break of this to the downside, we can risk on that and enter sell position. Come on guys, you know that we have different scenarios in different time frames. Okay, it depends on you to actually enter buy and sell positions with which time frames signals. Okay, and it depends on you which time frame you are trading. You saw that we have, you know, some buy signals in the daily time frame and some sell signals in 4-hour time frame, and right now we also have a trend line which is with the break of this to the downside, we can enter sell position on 1-minute time frame. Okay, so different scenarios in different time frames. Okay guys, it was all about today's analysis of Ethereum. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and also if you have any questions you can ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.